These microanimals are Bdelloid rotifers. With just 1,000 cells, they have brains, digestive systems, reproductive systems, and musculature. And while bdelloids are commonly found in freshwater habitats around the world, coming across a population bloom in a pond water sample isn't a common event. But finding this population bloom gives us an opportunity to consider some intriguing questions. What conditions can cause such an explosion? And exactly how is the rotifer population growing so quickly? For most of their 40 million year history, Bdelloid rotifers have primarily reproduced asexually, with embryos developing from unfertilized eggs, a process called parthenogenesis. Recent studies have shown that some bdelloid species engage in sexual reproduction, albeit on a very rare basis, usually birthdays and anniversaries. Other, more interesting research suggests that bdelloids may acquire genetic diversity through horizontal gene transfer, or sampling genetic material from their environment and incorporating useful genes. This capacity for genetic recombination may explain their evolutionary success. But no matter how they reproduce, why is there a population bloom in my pond water sample? It's likely that several factors have created ideal conditions. A plant light provides energy and warmth, root systems of floating plants offer abundant attachment surfaces, and the high concentration of organic matter provides almost limitless food. With new generations produced in as little as 2 to 3 days under these optimal conditions, it's no wonder the population has exploded. As resources are used up and more predators appear, the bdelloid population will eventually crash, transforming this microcosm into a kingdom with different subjects. If you enjoy learning about the microcosmos, consider subscribing so you won't miss our next adventure.